Attention, attention, code pink, 15 Cardinal Carter North.
A code pink is a cardiac arrest in a newborn baby. As a pediatrician, this is my worst nightmare. I am now running to the labor and delivery area. My mind is racing. My NICU team is also running. They're dropping what they're doing and they're rushing to this baby. How will this baby respond to resuscitation? Will this baby survive? Over 13 million babies a year need resuscitation at birth. 1 million of them will not make it. We need this information now. We just aren't very good at it, unfortunately. Our current methods are prone to error. Individual detection error, an unreliable waveform, and our gold standard, which is an ECG monitor, which requires electrodes to be hooked up to the baby. We need to do better.
There is a solution. We plan to develop an innovative medical device. The device will display heart rate right on the stethoscope. It will have 4 distinct features. It will be accurate and robust to noise and interference. It will be instant in providing the readings. It will be friendly to the user and the baby. And most importantly, it will be accessible to the wider population. What you see on the far right panel is the current prototype. This device will attach to any stethoscope. Basically, it's an add-on to any stethoscope, which, when placed on the chest, will give the readings instantaneously so the whole team can view it.
We are confident that the Vitascope will help save lives. We know that its readings will be instantaneous, it'll be accurate, it'll be accessible to the entire team at a low cost, and it will be baby-friendly. Vitascope is not only an application or a device that'll be useful in the resuscitation room. We can use it in the emergency department, we could use it in ICU, we could use it in clinics. It's also generalizable. This will be for kids and adults alike, a much bigger market, home monitoring even. So what will be the impact? Well, we're estimating we're going to require approximately $250,000 to take this project to completion. $100,000 of that will go to be hiring engineering students to go from this rudimentary prototype that we have now to a final industrial design. We estimate that this will take approximately 6 to 12 months, and then we can get on with clinical testing. We're super excited to present this to you, and we're more than happy to answer any questions you might have.
How does this differ from some of the portable cardiograms that are out there now?
That technology is not medical grade. It's based on a sound, and you have to buy your own unit. So $99 gets you a bottom basement digital stethoscope that is not very helpful and not also instantaneous. The top of the line products are around $500, but that's $500 you have to spend for a device. The beauty of this is you clip it on to an existing tool that every doctor, every nurse already has, which is not going to change. This is not going to change. This is an add-on. This is not another product. This makes it a much more generalizable product, I think, and it should be a lot more successful from those.
So at scale, what do you think that will retail for?
So we're estimating it'll be about $60.
Okay.
$60.
60, yes, 60.
That's
So
very
widely
good.
accessible.
I have a question. The actual unit, if you're using it in a medical setting, is the information going to come on the unit as is, or
Yeah.
are we going to have a Bluetooth or a connection to the existing hardware that's in the rooms? Or
Great question. So those already exist, and they don't work very well. We need instantaneous reading of the heart rates. When I put this on the baby's chest, I know what happens. Exactly. I know what that heart rate is. We have 3,000 babies a year delivered at St. Mike's. Many of them are critically ill. We even lost a baby last week, and one of the barriers that we couldn't hear the heart rate. We couldn't be sure that the heart rate wasn't there. So this is going to be instant reading. There's no guessing. There's no relying on your team to each have a try, bringing in monitors, et cetera, et cetera. This will be instantaneous.
God bless.
Yeah, great presentation.
Great.